Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you the easiest way to turn off or turn on hourly beep sound, as well as I will help you to set alarm in this Naviforce 9197 model watch. So if you also have got this watch and want to know about alarm and hourly beep sound, this video will be very helpful. Let's get started. At first we will learn to turn off or turn on hourly beep sound, then after we will go to set alarm. To do that, you have to come in alarm mode at first to turn off or turn on hourly beep sound. Currently I am in timekeeping mode. To go towards alarm mode, you have to press left side down button. Once I press, I have reached to alarm mode where you can see AL is mentioned. If you don't come, keep pressing left side down button until you come in alarm mode like me. So once you come in alarm mode, you can see here small icon of AL is mentioned over here. This means the alarm is already turned on, but we are talking about turning off or turning on about hourly beep sound. To turn off or to turn on hourly beep sound, you have to press right side top button. You can see here CH is mentioned. It means just now we have turned on the hourly beep sound. Now if you want to keep it fixed, simply press left side down button. And now if you want to turn off that hourly beep sound, again come in alarm mode like me, then press right side top button where you can see AL and CH both are mentioned. It means both are turned on, but you want to keep it off the hourly beep sound, then press right side top button again where you can see here both is turned off. But here you just want to turn off hourly beep, then again press right side top button where only alarm is turned on. If you want to keep this setting fixed, press left side down button. So this is how you can turn off or turn on hourly beep sound in Naviforce 9197 watch. Now let's understand how to set alarm. To do that, again you have to come in alarm mode, press left side down button. Once you come in alarm mode, press right side top button to set alarm. But we are already in alarm mode. As you see here, small icon of AL is mentioned. If you are not, press right side top button. This is the indication of hourly beep sound. Press one more time. Indication of both alarm and hourly beep. But let's assume you just want to set alarm. Press one more time where only you can set alarm now. Now to adjust this hour and minute, press right side down button. Hour have started blinking. Nothing is mentioned over here. This means this is AM, morning time. Now if you want to set evening, daytime, press right side top button to go ahead. Currently we are in AM if nothing is mentioned. Now let's move towards PM. So you can see here, once we reached in PM, PM is mentioned over here. So this is how you can adjust hour. Now to adjust minute, press right side down button. You can see here minutes have started blinking. Again use this same button, right side top button to go ahead. Once you set the desired alarm, simply to keep it fixed, press left side down button. So this is how you can turn off or turn on hourly beep sound or set alarm in Naviforce 9197 model watch. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and help me to reach 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for watching till the end.